brother playing for Auburn? It's amazing, boy. That's a top-notch school.
Frederick, I really don't follow college football very much. My brother, he always makes fun of me. Oh, I'm an idiot!
Can't believe you brought your carrots. I love the ambiance here.
Is that why you asked me out for a date because of my brother?
Maybe I could get a jumping monkey Sunday. Ask me out for a date because I find you cute.
The only year that I'm trying to be so lovely. Very refreshing. Most of the men in this town only ask me out because of my brother. Okay.
I find that hard to believe. He's staring at my first.
I hope you think I'm staring your way.
Anyway, I just love the opera.
I love the opera, Freddie. What was the last opera you saw? Oh, my God.
Madame Butterfly.
Oh, that's what everybody said, Madame Butterfly.
I hope that's an opera. What the plot?
And before that, the Barber of Seville.
Oh, that I'm really showing up. What was your favorite aria from the Barber of Seville?
Go, girl! You go, girl!
Oh, I think it was the second one in the third set.
Mine too.
Really? Talk a little bit for me.
Where
I'm
he hits
impressed.
where he hits that high soprano. He's so impressive.
What did he do with his kidneys? Well, at least he picked me up.
Anyway,
I haven't had a date in so long.
anyway, maybe we're having so much fun together. Maybe I should get together with your family.
I hope she doesn't think this is like a real date.
What a moron.
Well, I think maybe we ought to go back to my apartment after our date.
Show me what to work!
Yeah, with me in big trouble now. Well, we could do that. You live with your brother?
No,
I wonder if he likes Paula.
I don't live with my brother.
Oh,
Why do you
okay.
keep mentioning my brother?
Maybe we could listen to some opera music.
He just wants me for my brother.
We could, that aria that,
She likes ABBA.
I love
Oh, yes, you do. How did you know?
Yeah, that was my
it
favorite
was
song.
What's your favorite song of ABBA? Frederick, maybe we have something in common after